That's how fudgy it is. I can't even talk. Hey guys, welcome back to Vegas Vixen in the Kitchen Quarantine Edition. Today we are going to be making a 3-ingredient fudgy brownie. Well, you know, you should call it Nutella brownie because the main ingredient is Nutella. And then we have, of course, flour and eggs, and that's all shoot. Let's get started. All right, so we're gonna open up our Nutella. If I can even open it. Oh, okay. Well, so we're gonna use this entire thing. And this is, how big is this thing? 33.5 ounces of Nutella. You can make and use half of this if you have a smaller pan, but I have a 13 by 9 inch pan. That's the reason why I'm making a bigger amount. Okay, so we're gonna get that open. And then we're just gonna dump it all into this bowl. If you wanna make a smaller amount and you have a 9 by 9 inch pan, I can scale it down, and I'll leave the recipe in the description box. Maybe I should have had this in the bowl already. And don't mind my baby hairs either. It's quarantine edition, so I'm looking rough. From here, we have our 4 eggs. And now we're gonna do 1 cup of flour. And at this Airbnb, we don't have a little sifter, so I'm just gonna throw it in there the way it is. And this is a half cup, so I'm just gonna do 2 of these. I'm gonna use this spatula to scrape off this excess Nutella on the spoon. So I don't have my normal electric mixer, but I found this one in the pantry here, so we're just gonna use this. So we're gonna whip it until it's fully combined. So I'm gonna scrape the sides. How easy was that? Now we just gotta grease the pan. So I have some unsalted butter here. And I'm just gonna grease the pan so that it doesn't stick. And all I do is this. So just all around. This would be really nice if it was a glass. Now that it's in the pan, we're just gonna even it out and smooth it out, and it's ready for the oven. And I'll show you. Ta-da! And we're ready to go to the oven. 350 degrees for 20 minutes, or until the fork comes out clean. That's it. All right, so I actually left it in the oven for another 10 minutes because the fork was still coming out gooey. And I've taken it out, I let it rest. I tried cutting it was too hot, and that's why it's messed up. So now that it's cooled down a little bit, hopefully I can cut it perfectly and we can get it plated. So I'll show you how gooey and delicious it looks. And it's really hard because it's still warm, so it's like sticky and gooey still. I mean, it's really good. Oh yeah, so fudgy. But it's just hard to cut and make look beautiful, because look at this. Okay, I can't play them right now because they're just not working out for me because they're still really warm. So I'm just gonna cut a small piece. Try a little more. So you can see. It's nice and moist and fudgy. I can't even tell you guys. I need a glass of milk. That's how fudgy it is. I can't even talk. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, let me know what you think, subscribe, share on your social media, and if you do decide to make this and try this recipe out, be sure to tag me and send me a video, send me pictures. I love that. See you next time. Otherwise, wobbling.